I'm Andre Stevens Thomas, and I'm a professional entertainer, singer, songwriter, and a producer. I would highly recommend Structura Remodeling. This particular bathroom was very uncomfortable, particularly when it came to moving around because it's such a small space. We wanted the bathroom to be as open as possible, so we had to tear down walls and redo everything. And basically, the wonderful thing about Structura Remodeling is that they up front shared with us hidden issues, and that's behind the wall. We wanted to make sure that we understood totally what we were getting into from the very beginning, and Structura Remodeling did just that. We had 5 different candidates that we called, and we did cold calling, and that's how we found Structura Remodeling. 4 out of the 5 honestly had no appeal, but you could tell through the phone. It was as if he was coming out in the phone, and he was more concerned about our time, and that really stuck out, that he cared about who we were and what we were trying to do. He was dead on when it came to making sure that all the needs were met. I recommend Structura Remodeling simply because the character of a person is very important. And to see the groundwork and, of course, the schedule that they offered allowed us to do what we needed to do, as well as follow the schedule. And that was so important to us. And we highly recommend them because of their structure and what they had to offer personally as well.